Hello Tealstreeters! If you're looking to set up your Bitmex API keys, here's a quick and easy guide to get you started. Head over to your Bitmex account and navigate to the API Keys section. Enter a name for your API key, then add the IP addresses provided by Tealstreet. Just copy and paste them in one by one. Now it's time to set your key permissions. Make sure to enable order permissions so you can place trades. Next, enter your two-factor authentication code and click on Create API Key. Almost done. Give this exchange a name you prefer, choose a color if you'd like, and then add both your API key and secret key. And that's it. You're all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you found this helpful, consider supporting us by using our referral link.